So I wanted to show you guys how to use our digital portfolios for this year. It's going to be really simple. We're going to be using a Google Slides presentation to present all of our work throughout the year. We're also going to be reflecting on all of our pieces throughout the year and sort of have like a running tab, a nice big long list of everything we're doing this year. So in Google Classroom will be a assignment shared to you, and it'll be a Google Slides presentation. And when you get to it, it'll look like this. It'll be very boring, very plain, but you feel free to make it your own as the year goes on, add some things, delete some things, whatever the case might be. First thing you're going to do is you're going to put your name in here, and you're also going to put your class and your section. So drawing and painting 2AC, drawing and painting 1BD, whatever the case might be. First and last name in here. And it says here, feel free to make this look like you, and you can delete this box as well when you get done with it. I'll show you what this is going to look like in a second. So below the templates with the slides you will be adding, these are examples. You can edit and tweak as you see fit. You can change your fonts, you can change your colors, whatever you need to do to make it more you. These entries will be used for each project and sketchbooks we do, and you can delete this slide when you're done, you understand that. So I have 5 templates here for you. We have a practice page. This might be where we're practicing a new tool, trying out some ink techniques, whatever the case might be. Here is for sketches and compositional studies. When you're planning your project, you're planning your piece, I want to see an image of those. In progress photo, so you can see your work as it is evolving. And then obviously we have the final one here. And lastly, I have the reflection. Each project we do, you're going to comment on these things. I want to see full sentences, punctuation, capitalization, and full thoughts. Comment with strengths. Does this work have any surprise that may have occurred below? I think it's great. It's not going to count as an answer. Please have a full, concise answer. So how is this going to work? For our first project, we're only going to need the final template, which is this one, and the reflection form. But here's how this is going to go. Don't delete these. Always keep these slides. I'm only going to go ahead and duplicate this one and this one. There's a few ways you can do this. One, I can right click and hit duplicate. I can click on the reflection, right click and hit duplicate. Now I have these items here. I can rearrange them, and now I have my 2 things that I can work on. If you need to duplicate a lot of them, you can select, hold down the Shift key, and you can select multiple ones. If you can't right click for some odd reason, you can go up to Slide, Duplicate Slides. Now I have these 2 slides. I don't need this image in here. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. There are 2 ways you can get your images in here. One, insert image, upload from computer, and I can go ahead and go to my art, and I can go find out where my image is. There it is. Or I have the folder open here. I can just drag this over. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and delete this. I don't need that anymore. In my text box, I'm going to write a little explanation about what it is. Here is a drawing of some, I don't know even what these are, begonias. Right. I'm not going to win any awards, but a nice little paragraph of what I did a drawing of. Well, I need actually more images in here. We're supposed to do 5 of these for our first project. Duplicate. Delete that image. Drag over a new one. New text. Duplicate. Delete that one. Bring over my next one. Maybe a little nicer. There we go. My new text. And rinse and repeat. If you happen to delete any of these, let me know. I can share the slide with you, and you can go ahead and add and subtract as you need it. And then you're done. On the due date, we will go ahead and look. We'll check out your work. I can actually comment on here, which would be really cool. I like your drawing. This is great. Try this next time. And I'm also going to put your grade in here as well. So that's how our digital portfolios will work. Any questions, let one of us know. So if you want to make this a little fancier, obviously you can change your fonts, you can change your colors, you can do whatever it is you want to do. You can also add images in here as well. Insert image, upload from computer. I have a bunch of wallpaper images in here. I can go find those. It'll pop up on top. I don't want it to be on top, so I can right click and go to order, send it back, and now it'll be in the background. Pretty simple.